What's going on, you guys? Hope you guys had a lovely day. So I've been thinking, it has been long overdue. This is a follow-up video to the $500 race car. This is a follow-up video to the $500 race car build, guys. And since then, we've gone turbo. Now, I quickly want to say thank you to everybody who has helped make this happen, because if you guys remembered earlier on the build series, I had said that if I reached 20,000 subscribers, we were going to go turbo, and you guys knocked it out of the ballpark. So what you guys are going to be expecting in this video is everything that I've done to the car since March to September 30th. So I'm going to cut with the rambling, and let's get this video started. I cut it a ton lighter. I welded this bracket right here so we can retain the mounting tab, and you can obviously see it right here. Got the roll cage installed and looking spiffy. Here I mocked up cardboard, and then now I'm tracing it onto the piece of metal so I can cut them out and tack them in. This is practically the design that I'm going to be going with. It ain't going nowhere. Here is my plate. The bracket bolted down, and I'm about to test fit it one time real quick. I'm going to make a second one. Right? Plenty of room right here to put like a 90, a short 90, and then straight into the compressor housing. Let me show you guys what I did here. See this bar across right here? Bolts it into the intercooler. Chipped on the inside here, but as long as this is not contacting the inside of the compressor housing, we should be okay. The wastegate is 38 millimeter is what the manifold is designed for, but I'm not going to be using this EMUSA or EMUSA. Alright guys, check it out. We have the turbo, manifold, wastegate all bolted up. I've already drilled my hole here. The bung fits in there perfectly. So I moved it over here, high as I can, in between these two 10 millimeter bolts. That right there is my return line, just loosely bolted up, but you can see there's no crazy up bend or anything. It's all nicely tightened down. I got the line ran between the timing cover and the rail under the wastegate to the turbo.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Excuse me, sir. Could you like let me work? So I thought I had a lot more piping, but I don't have as much. I got a 3-inch to 2.5 cup right here. That's going to be for the throttle body, since it is a 68mm. That right here is all bolted up as well, but obviously it's going to come back out, and we got the 45 down there bolted up and fully clamped down. Got this all welded up. Blow-up valve is fully installed and fully welded in place. Yeah, does not fit at all. So I've already cut it off right there. That is a good like 4 inches, and the radiator is gonna sit So right here I have a tile 38mm wastegate, authentic, that I bought off of Facebook, shipped for $130. No leakage. I kind of fitted the headlight, trimmed it to fit the filter and the return line, and looks like everything worked out just fine. So here we have the Dash 6 installed with the filter that I removed from the cabin, as well as the Dash 4 2, the fuel pressure regulator. I scored this one in the junkyard with a new speed short shift adapter. This thing right here. Here are the gauges mounted in place. Now the last clip you guys just saw is pretty much the turbo with massive shaft play. It has side-to-side movement, it has in and out movement, and the car did not build up anything past 5.2 pounds of boost. It's very unfortunate that I did not hit my goal of trying to go 10s, but it is the name of the game. So you race it, you break it, you fix it, and you repeat it. Car is sitting here. It is down for the season, also the end of the season of racing, and we do have some plans on getting this car up again for 2019. I also want to quickly clarify that this build is pretty much how I went about doing it, and trying to save as much as I can while doing so. And that includes a lot of things like patience. You have patience to wait for the deals to come around. Fabrication, I do a lot of the stuff myself, and I make a lot of the things that I don't have or don't want to spend a lot of money on, so fab it. I use a lot of items around the house that's been, you know, left over from customers' cars or customer swaps, or taking things from my other cars. And also you cannot forget the items that were sent by you guys as contribute to my budget built car, and I cannot thank you guys enough for coming on board. So for those who have sent a part for this car, I truly appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed building this car with you guys on the channel. I hope you guys stick around because we do have a new goal of 50,000 subscribers, and we're gonna go all-wheel drive in this baby right here. And not only that, we are also doing all-wheel drive on that car. So if you guys want to see some thorough DIY all-wheel drive content on this channel, hit that subscribe button, y'all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.